So we're gonna make rolling rock art today. All you need is paper, a pan with edges, rocks, and some paint. Right?
Why?
So what we're gonna do is we have like 7 rocks. They're smooth, relatively smooth. They're not that big. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip our rocks into some finger paint, like kid type paint, such as this. So it doesn't stain anything. You can wash it off easily. And then you're gonna stick your rocks inside your pan, roll them around, and make some abstract art. It's super fun. You can even try it outside. It might be easier and less to clean up. So we're gonna try that now. But the first thing you need to do, is line your pan with paper. We've lined our pan. Can you hold these for me, Marin? Here, keep an eye on the rocks. We lined our pan with some paper, and I put some wax paper on the edges just so that the rocks, when they hit the edge, they don't stain the wood. But if you have something you don't really care about, that doesn't matter, okay? So paper on the bottom, and then anything on the edges if you want to protect your edges, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put Marin's paint in her little Paw Patrol plate, and then we're gonna dip our rocks in, color them, and stick them in our pan.
Mommy, do you want to see
You ready? So we're gonna dip our rocks into our paint. You ready, Marin? You can use a paintbrush if you feel more comfortable with that. So I'm going to take my rock and I'm just going to roll it around in the paint. Whatever works for you. I'm going to put it in my tray. One of the things you want to remember for this project is when you paint the rocks to kind of make it a little bit globby with the paint, and don't let it dry up before you start rolling it around.
What?
Alright, so once all your rocks are in your plate or on your pan, you want to sort of rock them side to side and let them roll and back and forth. So you create some sort of interesting design. It's going to look really cool and abstract. Sort of like a game. Try to see where the pieces go. Let's try to see if you can cover the whole paper. Come on, Marin.